Take it, students. So, in last class we have seen four numericals from the chapter 9, force and laws of motion. So now we'll continue from the next question. From this is in page number 128. So let me first read the question. An 8000 kg engine pulls the train of 5 wagons, each of 2000 kg. So mass of the, they have given mass of the engine as 8000 kg and mass of the wagons, I use the suffix WMW as 2000 kg. Totally they are using 5 wagons. The engine exerts a force of 40,000 newtons. So force exerted by the engine is 40,000 newtons. Calculate the acceleration, net accelerating force and the acceleration of the train. Force and acceleration, they have asked you both. Initially we will start from the force because we have been given 40,000 newtons totally and the mass has been given as 2000, 8000, right? Sorry, one more thing I left. And the track offers a friction of 5000 newton. So this is force of the engine, force friction equal to 5000. So frictional force how should be represented? Frictional force should be represented by negative symbol, right? Because it is in the opposite direction to the motion of the object. Now they have asked us the force, net force. What is net force? Net force equal to total force minus frictional force, right? So what is the total force? 40,000 minus 5,000, right? So what is the final answer? 35,000 newtons, right? That is the total force exerted by the train, right? Next, net acceleration of the train. They have asked us the acceleration of the train. What is the acceleration formula? A equal to F by M, right? Because F equal to MA, we need A. So I bring this M to the denominator. F by M. What is the force? Mass. Force is, net force is 35,000. What is the mass? Total mass. So it is 2000, sorry, 2000 kg, right? 2000 kg. What is the total mass? This is 8000 kg engine. One wagon is 2000 kg. There are 5 wagons. So 5 into 2000 equal to 5 2s are 10, right? So totally 10,000 kg. Then what is the total mass of the train? Engine is 8000, wagon is 10,000. So engine plus wagon will be the total mass of the train, which will be 10,000 plus 8,000, 18,000. So 35,000 by 18,000, the answer will be 1.94 meter per second square. This will be the total acceleration of the train, right? That's it. So I'll write it a little. Next question. An automobile vehicle has a mass of 1500 kg. Mass of an automobile equal to 1500 kg, 1500. What must be the force between the vehicle and the road? If the vehicle is to be stopped with a negative acceleration of 1.7 meter square. If the frictional force is minus 1.7 meter per second square is the retardation, what is the force? So simple question, right? Mass and acceleration is given, force is asked. F equal to M into A. Force is 1500, mass is 1500, acceleration minus 1.7, right? So 17 into 15 and then add 2 zeros, move 1 decimals to the left. You get an answer of 2550. Negative symbol. So why is it negative? Because this is the force required to stop this automobile. They have asked the force required to stop the automobile with a retardation. So retardation is also negative. Force is also negative. Simple, right?